Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. This is Ashok from TechieB and today we have amazing news for OnePlus 5 and 5T users. Now our device supports Project Treble, which is not an official support, but huge thanks to XDA member who made it possible, and now the device is supported by Project Treble. So guys, this is how the device looks after installing that ROM and have Project Treble enabled on your device. So guys, before taking a look on the things what are available on this ROM, first of all, going to settings and about phone, here you can see model which says Treble with Google applications, Android version 8.1 with the security patch of 5th April 2018, and the build number is Treble_ARM64. So guys, now you have the complete support of Project Treble, but not officially, unofficially. To install Project Treble on your device, you can follow the installation guide at the end of the video. So let me show you. I'll open the Treble check application, and here you can see congratulations, your device includes support for Project Treble. You can expect faster Android OS upgrades for your device. Once again, huge thanks to XDA member who made it possible, and people who are interested now can install Project Treble on OnePlus 5 and 5T devices. So in this video I'll be showing you what all things are working on this ROM and few things which are not working, as it's an initial build, so those things can be ignored. And guys, I think it's a first video on YouTube having Project Treble on OnePlus 5 and 5T. So if you like my work, do appreciate it by giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. So now let's take a look on this ROM. Long pressing home screen will take you to launcher setting, where you have few options of Google Assistant, search, and after that you have options of home screen, in which you can disable app suggestions, add icon to home screen, and you can also allow home screen rotation, so which works perfectly. When you rotate your device, the home screen also gets rotated, and you can use your device in the landscape mode also. This ROM comes pre-installed with the Google camera, and which works fine, no issues in clicking pictures and video recording. But I would recommend you guys to use the Nokia 8 APK file, which gives you lots of options, like you can use single mode, dual mode, and picture in picture mode. Dual mode works perfectly awesome, and talking about picture in picture mode, that also works perfectly fine, no issues in any of the settings. You also have live bokeh option, which you can use it, and that is also working great. Talking about fingerprint sensor is working fine. I did not find any kind of issues in the fingerprint. The device instantly gets unlocked. Vault services, I'll confirm you guys in the comment section below. Moving on to the Google Play stores, and there is no issues over here also. You can download any applications, no errors till now. Not much of customizations has been added in this ROM, as it's an initial build. Under display you can find few options of screensaver, and which you can start when the device is plugged for charging. Under device theme you get two options, and I don't find much of changes under this. Under settings you have an option of gestures, which is only jump to camera and nothing else available under settings. And the ROM is buttery smooth. I don't find any kind of lags on this ROM, perfectly fine. Few things which are not working, I'll tell you now. So in this ROM you cannot swap the back button or the recent button. There are no options given in the settings. Hope it would be added in upcoming builds. Notification slider also doesn't work, so if you use notification slider, that is also not working as of now. And talking about dash charging, I don't think so dash charging is working, because you don't get any notification when you charge the device. Only notification LED works. But I just did a small test. When my device was on 57%, I kept the device for charging for around 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes the device was charged up to 80%. And to check the performance of the device, I did benchmark test using Geekbench application and Antutu Bench application. Under Geekbench application, single core scored 1838, wherein multi-core scored 6510. Going with Antutu Bench application, under this results were 1,90,753. Pretty good results on both the benchmark applications. And Google Assistant is working fine. There are no issues. You just need to save your voice data, and once you say OK Google, the Google Assistant pops up. So guys, these were the things available on this ROM, and if you want to give a try, you can follow the installation video now. So let's start with the installation video. Make sure to download all the files given in the description below. To have Project Treble on your device like OnePlus 5 and 5T, guys, make sure you need to have few files. So all those files I have mentioned in the description below, and one is the recovery file, that is a TWRP recovery, which is 3.2.1. after that you have a system image ARM64, which includes single partition and mokee ROM, that is based on Android 8.1. and now follow the steps, you will be easily able to have support of Project Treble. So guys, right now I'm running Lineage OS, which is based on Android 8.1, so that is Lineage 15.1. and when I open Treble check application, it says sorry, your device manufacturer has chosen not to include support for Project Treble. And once again, huge thanks to XDA member who made it possible, and now we have support of Project Treble. So guys, to install that, copy all the files which I have mentioned in the description below, paste it inside the internal memory, and if you have not installed TWRP recovery, install TWRP recovery. After that, reboot your device to recovery. And once your device boots to recovery, guys, make sure, I'll show you the files first, and the files are MK 8.1, that is in mokee ROM for OnePlus 5, and for OnePlus 5T I have mentioned in the description below, you can download from there. And after that you need to have an image file, that is system ARM64 single partition Google Apps. So these two files are required as of now. And before installing, make sure you do a complete wipe. So go to advanced, select everything from here excluding internal memory. So exclude internal memory, swipe to wipe. Once it is done, go back, and first you need to install the mokee ROM. Swipe to confirm flash. After the installation process is completed, reboot your system, complete the initial setup, and after that we'll come back again to recovery. And once your device boots up, you can change the language from here. You can select English and continue. Skip all the steps, no need to connect Wi-Fi or anything like that. And once you are done, reboot your device back to TWRP recovery. And after your device boots to TWRP again, you need to locate the file. So go to install image and scroll down. So this is a file, if you have not placed it, you can place it after you are into TWRP recovery. And also make sure before installing that, you again do a factory reset. So once you are done with the factory reset, go here, install image, select this file, select system image, and swipe to confirm flash. Once the process is completed, just hit reboot system. And now your device boots up successfully. Complete the initial setup. I'll complete initial setup and add my account. After that I'll get back to you guys. And after completing the initial setup, I'll show you. Let's go to settings first, system, and under about phone you can see Treble with Google applications. Go to about phone. Android version is 8.1 with a security patch of 5th April 2018. Build number is Treble_ARM64. So guys, this way you can have support for Project Treble on OnePlus 5 and 5T. Let's open Treble check application, and here you can see, congratulations, your device includes support for Project Treble. You can expect faster Android OS upgrade for your device. So guys, this way you can get Project Treble on OnePlus 5 and 5T devices. If you have any kind of questions, do let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.